Hello, my name's Sonia. I'm your new marketing manager. Apologies that I was a little late. The traffic was crazy this morning. Hi, I'm Sonia Smith, the new marketing manager, and I've been brought in to bring structure and clarity to this team. I specialise in brand overhaul and executive level strategy, and I plan to implement significant changes going forward. Hi everyone, I'm Sonia Smith, your new marketing manager. I focus on brand identity and corporate image, and I'm really excited to get to know the team and learn what's already working here. Also, fun fact, I just moved to the city and I love hiking with my tiny but very loud rescue dog. So if you know of any good local trails, I'm all ears.
All right, so I gotta know, which Sonia stood out to you? Was it maybe the first Sonia who walks in, clutching her notebook, her eyes are down, her voice is trailing off, and she's apologizing for being late? Or is it the second Sonia who walks in, she's got sharp authority, her arms are crossed, and she's got a voice that's like, I'm in charge? Or maybe it's the third Sonia who walks in and she's got a really warm smile and open posture and a quick and charming story about her very loud rescue dog. Now, most of us would choose the third. Why? Well, because that Sonia was just herself. You know, she was confident, she was warm. The way that she made eye contact, gave a small but really genuine smile, stood calm with confidence. It made people want to listen. You know, she didn't try too hard. She was just there, she was grounded, she was present, and that is what made her memorable. And that is what we're here to learn. Every single day in meetings and interviews and pitches, and even on your first day on the job, you are making impressions that absolutely shape how people see you. And it also shapes how they respond to you. So whether you realize it or not, you are already communicating something literally the moment you walk into the room. So here's the real question I have for you. What do you want that message to be? In this course, we're going to help you answer that with intention. So you're going to learn how to use body language that invites openness, not hesitation, how to speak with clarity while still sounding like you, and how to balance professionalism with all that warmth, especially when you're stepping into something new. Oh, and most importantly, you're also going to learn how to listen like you mean it. Why? Well, because being fully present with someone often speaks so much louder than anything you say. Now, you don't need to act like someone else, you just got to be yourself, and you need to understand how to make your presence speak, even before you do. All right, let's begin.